Hello viewer, welcome to PK Learning. Viewer, in this video we will discuss the important botany MCQs for any competitive exam or university entrance exam. Let's start it. And first question is, first product of Krebs cycle is citrate, succinate, ecanitate or oxaloacetate? And answer is A, citrate. First product of Krebs cycle is citrate. A is correct option. And next question is, Bartlett pits are found in protoxylem, metaxylem, phloem or sclerenchyma. And answer is B, metaxylem. Bartlett pits are found in metaxylem. B is correct option. And next question is, ornithophilia refers to pollination by wind, insects, water or birds. And answer is A, wind. Ornithophilia refers to pollination by wind. A is correct option. And next question is, Whiteman is additionally produced in flavor saver tomato, high iron rice, golden rice or BT cotton. And answer is C, golden rice. Whiteman is additionally produced in golden rice. C is correct option. And next question is, the light falling on the leaf surface is absorbed 1 to 2%, 10 to 20%, 30% or 40%. And answer is B, 10 to 20%. The light falling on leaf surface is absorbed 10 to 20%. B is correct option. And next question is, a true fruit is developed thalamus, developed nucellus, developed ovary or developed ovule. And answer is C, developed ovary. A true fruit is developed ovary. C is correct option. And next question is, sago is obtained from Pinus, cycas, angiosperm or green algae. And answer is B, cycas. Sago is obtained from cycas. B is correct option. And next question is, pith is absent in protoxylem, siphonostyl, solenostyl or dictyostyl. And answer is A, protostyl. Pith is absent in protostyl. A is correct option. And next question is, aflatoxins are produced by algae, fungi, bacteria or lichens. And answer is B, fungi. Aflatoxins are produced by fungi. B is correct option. And next question is, fusiform root is present in turnip, radish, carrot or tomato. And answer is B, radish. Fusiform root is present in radish. B is correct option. And next question is, Casparian strips are present in epidermis, cortex, hypodermis or endodermis. And answer is D, endodermis. Casparian strips are present in endodermis. D is correct option. And next question is, Bentham and Hooker classified the seed plants into 212 families, 202 families, 222 families or 252 families. And answer is B, 202 families. Bentham and Hooker classified the seed plants into 202 families. B is correct option. And next question is, Chilgoza is the seed of Pinus geraldiana, Pinus mercosi, Pinus roxburghi or Pinus wellichiana. And answer is A, Pinus geraldiana. Chilgoza is the seed of Pinus geraldiana. A is correct option. And next question is, Liana is a herb woody twinner, trundle climber, or insectivorous plant? And answer is B, woody twinner. Leonida woody twinner, B is correct option. And next question is, which RNA is short-lived? Ribosomal RNA, transfer RNA, messenger RNA, or none of these? And answer is C, messenger RNA. Which RNA is short-lived? Messenger RNA, C is correct option. And next question is, chloroplast fix carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen, or hydrogen? And answer is A, carbon dioxide. Chloroplast fix carbon dioxide is correct option. And next question is, anther culture is commonly used for the production of polyploid plants, diploid plants, haploid plants, or none of these? And answer is C, haploid plants. Anther culture is commonly used for the production of haploid plants. C is correct option. And next question is, insectivorous plants grow only in soils deficient in calcium, nitrogen, copper, or phosphorus? And answer is B, nitrogen. Insectivorous plants grow only in soils deficient in nitrogen. B is correct option. And next question is, placentation in Liliaceae is axial, marginal, parietal, or basal? And answer is A, axial. Placentation in Liliaceae is axial. A is correct option. And next question is, edible portion in coconut is mesocarp, endocarp, endosperm, or embryo? And answer is C, endosperm. Edible portion in coconut is endosperm. C is correct option. And next question is, angiosperms were evolved in Silurian period, Permian, Eocene, or Jurassic? And answer is D, Jurassic period. Angiosperms were evolved in Jurassic period. D is correct option. And next question is, zigzag inflorescence axis is formed in spadix, scarpide cyme, helicite cyme, or dicaryal cyme? And answer is B, scarpide cyme. Zigzag inflorescence axis is formed in scarpide cyme. B is correct option. And next question is, in Brassica placentation is axial, basal, parietal, or marginal? And answer is C, parietal. In Brassica placentation is parietal. C is correct option. And next question is, which causes closure of stomata? Cytokinin, oxen, gibberellin, or abscisic acid? And answer is D, ABA, abscisic acid. Which causes closure of stomata? Abscisic acid. D is correct option. And next question is, tryptophan is a sugar, a phosphate, a fat, or an amino acid? And answer is D, amino acid. Tryptophan is amino acid. D is correct option. Thank you viewer for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.